Let's simplify this logarithm. Solution. Okay. Recall log A minus log B is same as all in logarithm of A divided by B. We're going to apply this. We're going to apply this in the denominator. Also recall A raised to power 1 over 2 in indices is same as root A. We're going to apply it here. Similarly, x log A base B is same as log A raised to power x base B. We are still going to apply it in the numerator. Okay, good. So let's proceed. Now, applying these rules to simplify this, I'm going to have log square root 8 divided by log 4 minus log 2. This is going to give us all in logarithm of 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Okay, then we are still going to raise it to 1 over 2 because of this square root sign. Because of this square root sign. Then over here we are going to divide log 4. Please, this is 2. Remember this is 2. So we have log 4 divided by 2. They have the same base. Okay, good. So we are going to have here all in logarithm of 3 over 2 raised to power 3 over 2, because 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 2. Okay, so log root 8 is same as log 2 raised to power 3 over 2. Now apply this rule. S log A base B is equals to log A raised to power x base B. So this power now we are going to use it to multiply the logarithm in the numerator. So we are having 3 over 2 log 2 divided by log 2. Okay, so that we can easily cancel this log 2 and this log 2. Therefore, log root 8 divided by log root 8 divided by log 4 minus log 2 is equal to, this has cancelled, we have 3 over 2. Alright, thank you for watching. Okay, let's calculate the value of y in this diagram. Triangle, solution, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle, okay? Alright, now let's call here x, so that we can have x degrees plus 55 degrees plus, here is 90 degrees, is 180 degrees, so that we can find this x will now be 180 degrees minus all bracket 55 degrees plus 90 degrees, so that x should give us 35 degrees. Okay, so if x is 35 degrees, can we find y? Yes, y is equals to 2x. What is the reason? See, this y is an exterior angle to this isosceles triangle ABE, so we can have exterior angle of a triangle. Good. So we have exterior angle of a triangle, because here also should be x. This is x, this is x, base angles of an isosceles triangle. So this y will be sum of the opposite interior angles. That is why we have 2x, okay? X plus x, which is same as 2x. So this is 35 plus 35, we have 70 degrees. Okay, therefore y is equals to 70 degrees. For more on triangles and its properties, please check my previous lessons.